Welcome to MotoVerge, the place where passion for motorcycles meets raw emotion, and every ride becomes a story worth telling. If you love bikes that carry both power and soul, you're in the right place. And today, you're about to discover something that could change the way you look at naked street bikes forever. Because what I'm about to share with you isn't just another motorcycle, it's the Yamaha MT-07, reborn for 2026. But before we dive in, remember this: if you miss the video, you miss the valuable information that separates curiosity from true motorcycle passion. Now, let's start with a question: what does freedom sound like to you? For some, it's the silence of open roads. For others, it's the heartbeat of an engine that refuses to die down. And in 2026, Yamaha has taken that heartbeat and tuned it to perfection in the new MT-07. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a small facelift. No, this is something Yamaha has been secretly perfecting for years, waiting for the right time to unleash it. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this: you're sitting at a red light, hands gripping the bars. The world is silent around you. Then, with a flick of the wrist, the MT-07 roars to life with a deeper, more aggressive growl than ever before. You feel it in your chest, in your veins, in your soul. This isn't just power. This is emotion sculpted into metal and rubber. But wait, what has Yamaha really done this time? They didn't just update the engine. No, they elevated it. The CP2 parallel twin, a legend in itself, now meets new Euro regulations without losing the raw punch riders crave. Think smoother throttle response, more refined fuel mapping, and yes, more torque in the mid-range. Just when you thought the MT-07 couldn't get more addictive, Yamaha makes sure your heart races even faster. If you're thinking it's just about performance, you're wrong. This bike has been designed to feel alive beneath you. The redesigned chassis brings more rigidity yet more flexibility in the right places. The suspension, tuned with precision for city agility and mountain twisties. And the brakes, stronger, sharper, inspiring confidence at every turn. Each part whispers the same message: control, stability, freedom. But there's a secret hidden in the details. Look at the front. The new LED headlight design, it's not just sharper, it's almost intimidating. A predator on the road, waiting to strike. The futuristic lines of the tank, the aggressive stance, the refined tail section, it all comes together like a work of art that's both functional and emotional. You don't just ride this bike, you wear it like armor. And here's where it gets even more personal. Yamaha didn't just build a machine, they built an experience. The updated TFT display doesn't just show numbers, it connects you. Bluetooth integration, ride modes at your fingertips, even navigation. Every piece of information you need is right where your eyes naturally go. No distractions, no compromises, just you and the road ahead. Some may ask, is it still the same MT-07 we've loved for years? The answer, yes, but more. It's everything you know, everything you trust, and everything you didn't realize you were waiting for. And if you missed the video, you do not get valuable information about why this bike isn't just a ride, it's a revolution in the making. Now think for a second. What do you want from your motorcycle? Do you want something practical, lightweight, and efficient? The MT-07 delivers. Do you want something emotional, powerful, and unforgettable? The MT-07 delivers. Do you want something that will make you wake up in the morning and crave the road? Again, the MT-07 delivers. And here's the suspense you've been waiting for. Yamaha has positioned the MT-07 2026 not just as a machine, but as the beating heart of their hyper-naked family. It bridges the gap between entry-level excitement and pure professional thrill. It whispers to beginners, "Ride me, I'll teach you." And it shouts to veterans, "Challenge me, I'll never hold back." So, is this the bike for you? That's a question only your heart can answer. Because the MT-07 isn't about statistics, it isn't about specs. It's about connection. And once you sit on it, once you feel that parallel twin breathing beneath you, once you lean into a corner and let it guide you out, you'll know. This isn't just Yamaha's creation. This is your freedom, reborn. If you're still watching, you know you've felt it. That spark, that curiosity, that hunger. Don't let it go. Because if you miss this video, you miss the valuable information that could lead you to your next motorcycle, your next adventure, your next heartbeat. This is MotoVerge, and this was the Yamaha MT-07 2026. The road is waiting. The question is, are you ready to answer its call?